Hi there, this is Shinjini from Modern Gypsy, and I figured that I'd give my poor neglected YouTube channel a little bit of love. So, I'm going to be working a lot more in my art journal this year, or at least that's the plan so far. So, I figured that, I'd kind of bring you in and hang out with you while I create some pages in my art journal. So here I'm working in a mixed media art journal that I created at the end of last year, so in December 2021. And this journal already has some starter pages, so pages that have some mark making already on them, and then it has some empty pages which I can use to journal or to create some more art in. So I'm just coming in here with some paints and marks and stencils and just having a little bit of fun. So the idea with this journal, for me at least, is to fill it with words and quotes and thoughts that feel nourishing and comforting to me at this point in time, just to work through a lot of different things that I've been thinking about since these last couple of years. And you know how it happens when you change your mind about something, or the way you've done something for most of your life. You need a little bit of time to just sit down and process the changes and work through what you're leaving behind and what you'd like to embrace going forward. And that's just some of what I'm going to be exploring in this journal. So for this art spread, for this page spread, I'm just being really, really playful with colors and stencils and adding some nice, bright, bold colors, and then bringing in a little bit of a focal element. So I think here I'm going to be using a little tree mask, and you'll see me bring that in a little while. And then I'm going to put in a quote by Lisa Oliveira that I found on Instagram and that really, really resonated with me and with where I am at my journey at this time. So I hope that you'll enjoy watching the creation of this page and seeing how it all kind of comes through and comes together. And I hope that you'll join me on my channel here, because I plan to have a new video up every alternate week. So sit back, enjoy, and get your own paints out and play. hope that you enjoyed this video, that it gave you a lot of creative inspiration and really sparked some yummy creativity for you. So for more art journaling tutorials, how-tos, for some beautiful conversations on the artist's mindset, on the creative life, head over to my website at moderngypsy.in, and you'll find a lot more there to nourish your creative artistic soul. So have fun, and I'll see you again soon.